Hey, everybody, welcome. We're live now. Sorry about that. I had to get some touch-ups really quick before we do this. Live to Facebook and Instagram. I don't know which one I'm pointing at, but I'm live to both of you. I'm Dr. Bacon, in case if you don't know that already. What we're here today to do is to talk to you guys and make you give you an opportunity to really move you in a direction toward health. So I'm going to ask you, how many of you people out there are dealing with a disease or a condition that you've been dealing with for years? Cancer, diabetes, cholesterol, heart disease, whatever, even mental health, anything. All those disease processes have a nutritional component that goes with it. And more of a idea of what we're doing to get you moving in the right direction. So after practicing and doing this for so long, we came up with this idea to create a Livin the Dream Daily program. And what this is, so Livin the Dream Daily came from me in my practice where I did the 4 F's of Livin the Dream, which was fuel, function, focus, and finance. All 4 of those really held the pillars for you living the dream. Now we've gone actually backwards to the E's now. We got 5 E's of this online membership, and I'm going to explain them all to you today really quick so you get an opportunity to see this. Education. How many of your medical doctors or doctors out there are teaching you why you have the disease process you have? There aren't many of them out there. They're just going, here's the expensive test, here's the expensive lab work, here's your expensive medications or surgeries, depending on what they're giving you. When really, daily education, daily videos, so you can start taking ownership of your health. You can start understanding how these conditions were manifested or created by some of the lifestyle choices that you're doing. The next one would be exercise, Fit in 10. If you're not exercising or moving your body for at least 10 minutes per day, you're missing the boat. And that's going to help you move in a direction. I'll explain some of the benefits of this as we get down here, but this is the program. Then we're going to talk about eating, meal plans and recipes. This program has so much information to it, you will not get it all in one month. This is why it is a subscription, so it lasts as you continue to evolve and get healthier and push better and better, 1% every day. Not that hard when you think about it. So the next one would be the engagement. So we got to have a community. Everybody wants to be part of something. Well, this is your opportunity. If you don't have Facebook, don't worry. There's still engagement and groups that we have that we're kind of put together for you to feel like you're part of this program. Got it? The next thing would be empowerment. And now this one here is empowering you to understand about your condition. Let's say you have eczema, psoriasis, diabetes. There are meal plans and ideas and support for you to help you work to better your health and actually change some of those numbers and actually move you in the right direction. It's pretty impressive. Now why, first of all, should you trust Dr. Bacon? Got it? Like, listen, you've got so many Instagram experts out there and so many Facebook gurus that will tell you, this is Bobby approved, or whatever improvement they have for you to follow along with their probiotic, their healthy recipes and things like that. Why should you follow me? Well, I've been in the healthcare profession and as a doctor for 20 plus years, working out of my brick and mortar and watching my friends come in and literally ask my advice, give them advice, and watch them change in front of us in months, weeks, sometimes overnight when they come back in. We just had a new guy in the other day, could barely do push-ups. He tore his rotator cuff. He got adjusted once, went back and did 25. The next day we saw him in 2 days and he was like, I mean, it's just like, it's unbelievable the power that your body has to heal and adapt to the stressors, okay? So, and we've been doing this in here for a long time. We deal with weight management and all that kind of stuff. But it's not a program that's kind of like it's a lifestyle. We're helping you move in a direction toward health, okay? And then why? I just told you, because it works. I mean, it literally works. I don't ever even know what it's like to be wrong. I'm just kidding. Don't ask my wife. But like literally, it's really the opportunity for me to teach you what I know, and then you take that ownership of that health, of your health, and do some of the activities that we're talking about and watch you transform. Some of the examples we have a lady who did 1 month and lost 12 pounds and is feeling better, like sleeping better. Let's say you can't sleep at night. Well, that could be a cortisol dysregulation. That could be a glycemic management issue. So many different things that could be causing this. A mineral deficiency. Who's not depleted in minerals out there? Our soils are depleted. They've been depleted since the 1940s, a little bit before that. How can you not be getting the minerals and nutrients you need? Or if you're not getting them in, how are you going to be able to rest and recover? Got it? The other thing too, eliminating sodas. We have one guy that came in and said now he's drinking nothing but lemon water, right? Or cucumber water with soda water, and really great, but not drinking the diet sodas or the soft drinks anymore. Better morning routine. We have one lady come in that what we're doing is by opening up these emails and sending these out every day, you're getting a chance to start your day off instead of scrolling through Instagram or Facebook. Going in there and opening up something that's going to move you and get your day started off on the right foot, get you going in the right direction. Be motivated with us to walk you toward health. Got it? Pretty important when it comes to that. And then the next thing is increase in energy throughout the day. If you're working out in the morning, well, guess what you're going to feel like all day? Just going to keep bumping it up, keep going. So let's get down to the nitty gritty. When and how you sign up for the Living the Dream Daily program. What this is, it only opens up every first of the month. We're starting on day 1, May 1, June, always the first of the month. You have the opportunity to sign up between the 28th and the 1st of that month, so that every month it rolls over a brand new. Got it? Now, here's the kicker. The price, $29 per month. We're not trying to make this an expensive program. We want this to be easy and affordable because we understand that you're going to buy organic. You're going to have to eat healthier. You're going to have to probably, understand that there's going to be other things that you may want to join, a gym membership or a country club or something like that, where you're going to actually doing things to move you in a direction that makes you healthier overall. So, and it is a subscription. So you sign up for 1 month, try it for 1 month. If you don't see you're getting the improvements or you don't see a value in it, please don't continue. However, when you see the value, it's so easy. If you do something once and you're good at it, guess what happens the next month you do it? You're even better. And then you keep getting better and better. And that's the goal, is for us to move millions of people toward health day by day, 1% better, by using the Living the Dream Daily program. So I will take no more of your time, but if you have questions, comments, please let us know below. And keep an eye out for this. This program is going to be hitting the ground running here pretty quickly. We've just been working on it. We've had a couple of pilot programs out there, and we've gotten great results. So looking forward to seeing you guys inside the program. If you have any questions, please let us know, and we look forward to seeing you again real soon.